Hey guys, today is wash day and I'm going to show you how I go from this to this by using some of my oldie but goodie hair products. So please stay tuned for this video. So I'm going to start off by using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. I'm now sectioning my hair into 2 sections. And then I'm going to begin to shampoo my hair, really concentrating on my scalp. I'm going to let the runoff of the water get the shampoo throughout the rest of my head. But not today, just stay. Just stay. So we're going to follow up the shampoo with the coconut and hibiscus conditioner. And again, I'm working in 2 sections. So as I am applying the conditioner, I'm also starting to do some finger detangling. Alright, so now I'm going to begin detangling my hair with my wide tooth comb. It's important to start at the very ends of your hair and then working your way up to the scalp. I also like to sit right underneath the water and allow the weight of the water to make it a lot easier to detangle. Alright, so after detangling, it's perfectly normal to shed a little bit of hair, and so I just wanted to show you guys just how much hair I shed in this wash. So now that we're ready for styling, I like to style my hair directly out of the shower while my hair is as wet as possible. And as you can see, I'm starting off with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, one of my top faves. If you haven't seen my video, click the I right here so you can see my top 5 products. So I'm going through making sure to evenly distribute this product throughout my hair, and I want to pay special attention to the ends of my hair. Up next is the star of our show. This is the Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. If you guys haven't seen my super defined video, I used this product in that video, and I've always loved this product but just recently went back to it. It's been great this summer. So I'll typically add about 2 pumps of the mousse to my hair and then just begin to rake this throughout my hair. So I've been going for a less defined curl look lately. I don't know, it's just how I've been feeling lately, and it doesn't take as much time to style my hair this way, so this is what I'm rocking with right now. So when I get to my bangs, this is the only part where you'll see me use my Denman brush for a more defined curl. I just feel like it looks better when the front of my hair has a little bit more definition. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like once it's all styled. And as you can see, there is some white residue left in my hair, but don't worry, it will disappear once my hair dries, and it will soon look like this. So this is what my hair looks like once it's all dry. And what I'm gonna do now is add some extra virgin olive oil to my hair, just to add a little shine. We're gonna start separating the curls so we can have optimal bounce and full fluffy hair. You can also go in with your pick just to add a little bit more height and more body to your hair if you prefer. Alright guys, so that is it. This is my summer wash and go routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please rate, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, seize your destiny and have fun doing it.